God, it's so cute. But I be like, my belly on the commode. I don't get body, but my belly on the commode. See.
No, no.
Make I suck belly.
Suck belly. No, you know if you talk well. I should suck that belly now. Go, hey, now wow.
No, I still they talk. At least for the next 5 minutes, I still they talk.
But
it's no pure.
You know pure. They wear body magic.
For which body again? You want me my waist to be like this?
Okay, no, it's in the tie wrapper inside the body, small one.
Okay,
just tie small one.
But
just
you go show where
pull
I
on
tie
like this. Eh?
Man use rubber ring.
Rubber. Which one be rubber ring?
Rubber band.
Rubber band.
So that because where I tie the wrapper, I go show.
Okay, not true. This one, I just, Mayawa, you are a slim figure girl. You don't go get belly join, no. You know go just good at all.
No go pure.
No go good.
Suck belly.
No go good. So from today now, they do sit up. 1, 2, 1, 2. You don't need to go the go gym or anything. You still get good belly, but no let them come the boom.
Okay.
The boom. Then
no
go
pure.
Good. Yes.
Okay. All right. Hey. Una good morning. Now they throw salute. They greet everybody. This better can just.
It be like who go labor. Una hey. Hey.
Holiday don't finish.
Holiday.
You don't get choice now than to come work. Holiday don't finish, so you have to come to the office place.
Exactly.
Because it's your place of your lunch,
Hustle.
breakfast, and dinner.
Jeez.
So you have to come there. Whether you get side hustle or you no get side hustle, the first hustle where you get, where open door for you for other side hustle, you need to respect them. You understand?
Now this particular hustle, now they bring respect come your way.
Yes.
Whether you like
why,
them or not.
You understand? That's why some people, when they take their work seriously, even for you understand? When some people won't begin do anyhow, you go tell them, say, uncle, before your side hustle show, now this one
they
give you road for that side hustle. So you can like to what? To respect yourself.
You say most of the time, we know the two respect the hustle we will get for hand.
Yes.
You understand? Most of the time, may Friday come, I bet, may we go this. Try to love your job.
Not till you
just
live
try
a
to
life
love
of
the hustle.
Lack of, not till you live a life of no hustle. You go know say the hustle where you get now is pure.
Just spend like 2, let me say like 6 months. They work for Broad Street.
I tell you.
With Pali,
I tell you.
You will appreciate the one you get now.
You know many people they go jail because of illegal hustle. Illegal. You get legal one. See they do anyhow. Respect yourself.
So we thank God for our hustle this morning.
Yeah.
We thank God for our hustle. So thank God for your own hustle this morning.
Yeah.
Well, now welcome.
Welcome.
Now welcome.
So no need to squeeze your nose. Go to work.
Go to work.
Holiday don't finish.
Exactly.
Go to work. You where you no get work, go to sleep.
Go to sleep. No, go and hustle something.
So
just go outside and hustle something. Don't just sit down for that place. You can go outside, you can do something.
You can even begin to make something for thin people where don't they get belly.
Exactly.
So instead of giving us waist trainers for big people, we go thin people like us. If you just give us tummy sucking in or something.
Yes, tummy sucks in or something. You understand? If you just funky fire, thumb suck in.
Or suck thumbs in.
Or something suck and something tuck and something in. Just rearrange them. In suck thumb or tuck some in or something suck somewhere.
Yeah.
Just suck something.
Just be a suck something.
So actually, now welcome on top of the show.
Yeah.
And from here like this, we'll go break. By the time we come back from our break, we enter Yan the Yan, chapley. We get funny videos for you and sweet stories for all of you for house there. All right? So we come back now. Mayawa, Ogbolo, we are there here. Padi Padi things. No go nowhere. No go nowhere. No go nowhere. See for here, you want try wish? Come here, you see wish.
You go, you walk on top water, you go walk for inside cloud.
For here, you want try wish? Not be all the illusion. Do better wish, more we not say you get wish. Not be all this one, you package yourself.
You be using technology to be deceiving people.
And don't carry your guys, they put around you. Come here, come see Professor Pella. May you know wish.
Who be Professor Pella?
You don't know that guy? When they disappear anyhow. Professor Pella. Yeah? Call no one guy go jump inside lion zoo for you.
You don't say before.
He say be Jasmine.
You don't say before. Then go say monkey. I mean cat. Now it be the symbol of wish. That year. Now monkey. All those people where they hold monkey they pass. Their witchcraft not be here. Then thief your money join. Give us the yan. All right, so make we just enter inside Obodo Yibo small on top this first gist I want to give you. This now and this particular guy will be saying be expert for inside surfing. If you don't know what surfing be, now those people they carry skateboard,
that
put
pako.
For inside that pako, then they put them for inside water. They do pew, wave go carry them, pew, then go jump, pew pew pew. This particular guy now, Australian surfer, from Australia, right? That's why he's an Australian
surfer.
Thank you.
Yes.
Mick Fanning. In fact, now God na him save him. Now God na him save him. Because shark, for inside that particular sea when they do that surfing, shark actually pass the guy. But that person where he pass, he can't turn his surfboard, in skateboard, in turn him upside down. Yeah. So he guys need to fight.
Climb on top.
To climb on top because his lack of climbing on top is subordinate or directly proportional to his chopping off his head by a shark. You understand?
That's very deep.
My brother, 34-year-old guy can't see incredible action after fighting with the you know wetin save this guy? Now the thought of I cannot die.
Now God just save him.
I cannot die like this.
See this one. Now God just save him.
Now God just save you.
Now God save him because the shark actually throw past him like 2 times. I tell you, like 2 times. Then
you can't know wetin come do be say the fact that you be best at something no mean say God no fit save you. Yes. Because this guy na the best for this thing. Now award-winning surfer. Now the best for this thing. Still yet.
The shark no best.
Shark no send you.
Oh no.
He no send you. That's why those when they ride power bike, and they tell them the first say you sabi ride this thing, wear all your full armor. Wear all your full armor. Because this guy now, it was a battle between him and a shark.
Now God just save him. When I see the video, when the thing just strip and I say, you're on the finish. But anyway,
congrats to you,
congrats to you. Congrats
if not,
to you.
We would have been doing 2 minutes silence for your head.
Exactly, for the best surfer guy all the way from Australia in the South Africa.
You know, so they say now, waiting persons like ways a bit past 9 killer.
Now, sometimes so.
But you're happy.
We are happy for you. Ayo Adesanya. Why they cough like that? You don't even get professional coughing.
I'm going like sucking.
Professional coughing.
Okay. No. The one where they do me, it has to come out.
For the whole public like that.
Forget. It has to come out.
You are very unprofessional sometimes. I know you like this kind of professionalism.
I'm human.
You are human. Okay. Human. Myself, I be human being. Yeah. Ayo Adesanya, correct Nollywood actress for this particular country. Ayo Adesanya for since like 25 years old. I don't know who Ayo Adesanya be. That very beautiful Nigerian actress. We get one kind of big eyeballs like this. One resemble my own eyeballs that year, and partly like Mayowa own eyeballs. Now, Ayo Adesanya, from like 25 years old, she done hold down the Nollywood movie industry with different acting, both for Yoruba acting and of course for English acting. But at a particular point, she can't just diverse go Yoruba own. She can't do interpretation of different scripts and all that one. But recently, she celebrated 20 years for the industry. 20 years. But some time back, she and her husband get some kind of small issue. They can't leave their set. They say they no marry again. The husband said, "Na fellow actor and producer, Goriola Hassan." Goriola Hassan. 2 of them marriage dissolved some years back, but since then she don't enjoy her life as single woman. Say she don't enjoy her life as single woman. So they gonna ask her question, "Madam, you go like marry again?" She said, "Well, actually, she go like to marry again, but she no be the kind person wey dey sit down dey plan for that kind of thing. So somewhere along the line, if it happen, if it not happen, Say these days people they fall in love, they fall out of love. People they do different things, all in the name of love. But somewhere along the line, if God say it go be, it go be. And at the same time, she said that will not mean say people that way single, not they happy. And somewhere along the line, she don't believe now. Say not be everybody must really marry. Some people can remain single for the rest of their life. Say that will not mean say they don't go happy. Okay, so but on her own side though, you say I know what in love be, I understand what in love be, and I know what in romance be. But that will not mean say I go want to stay single for the rest of my life. If it happen, it happen. If it not happen, I go still remain happy. But I had this on 20 years on stage. Congratulations to you.
20 years in the industry.
In the industry.
That is that.
In the industry.
That is that. This auntie. Look at her with Sanyeri.
Ayo.
That is her again.
I been like her that year.
That's also her again.
Yes.
She don't.
Yes. You don't
chop up.
No, you don't sorrow.
Add weight.
That year we just want for one thing that year for front. but this time she has beautiful on top and everything. So anyway,
Agbolo, I'm in pain.
You are in pain. I'm in pain.
I will tell you why.
You're in pain too.
Agbolo, you know that normally.
What's paining you?
Agbolo, let me tell you.
My love.
See, you know that normally it's all this kind of hair that they used to do in the center and just drop everything. Now they do. Agbolo, you see this one where they do for me. It's not. I'm not used to. It's not.
When I go to tell you.
I'm not
to do a fine couscous girl.
It's just the enter. It's not.
You see?
My freshness not reach like that.
Come out time. Okay, you know if you come out this one. I for not pull am for you.
I no feel.
I don't like suffer for you.
Enter my.
You see? Or say because you want to do I'm a fine girl.
Or because I want to do on flick.
On flick. Oh Lord.
You know,
oh chills. On flick.
No, since when you talk, I just do like this.
You do say you see your life? You see your life? Anyway, just get out of here. Just get out of here. In a tush form, I don't want to shout for you, just get out of here. When they come back, we'll go on a break now. We want to get out of here very, very soon. All right, so when they come back, more on go for this break. As a man, while they take clean all her eye and everything, they can attend to her in a very
all
emergency way.
All the eye go clean and I don't tire.
Sorry. Now by force, we'll be fine, girl.
Welcome back. Now, back on the matter, no worry. They don't help me raise and go up small.
They use fumigation, this thing. They put a hose
because
it come out all the hair for the eye.
Yes. The hairstyle is called a fringe. It's not really my forte. All right.
So from today, no more fringe.
No more fringe.
If you do the fringe next time, No.
Next time I go do them as wig. So that
I feel come out. Anyway, I look forward to it. I look forward to it.
Yeah, but life, yeah, a sharp guy. Yeah, sharp guy. Anyways, we still the carry go on top Yandy Yan. Now, this matter again is still the one we concern Bill Cosby.
Bill!
That's a comedian we all of us been like that year because I grew up watching Bill Cosby. Yeah. I mean, I really like the guy. But when the allegations come, they come out since Bill Cosby now we don't turn 77-year-old. I mean, it's really funny. Ogolo, when you young, all these things no fall out. Now when you old, all your bad behavior can they fall out.
My sister,
every time new things they always come out with allegation of his sexual assault.
That's why when we young, as young people, when we be like this, maybe we dey careful. The road we dey waka. Some things we go do now. When we don't old, if he can't fight against you.
You can't even know the one we come out now. You know say that woman been come out talk say she in drug her, can't abuse her. Now 13 other women come out, can't talk say that one even the normal gist. This new gist now where the New York Times carry come out. Bill Cosby now they describe how when they take seduce them. Bad guy. He talks say look, say anybody will say in by first I said I lie. Say because he read their body language. Their body language is doing come and do. In concept, he know they get penetration.
Okay.
Because he they make the women fall in love with them. And he no one fall in love because he get wife, he get children, he get grandchildren. So now just they play. He said we are sexually playing. He said, and come on, that guy will say I give her a drum. I didn't really give her. It's just one small pill that I give to her. And after I give her the key, we started to kissing. So from the kissing, we now have a
since.
Yes.
Maybe
say she be a liar.
Orally.
Yes. In talk say, well, at some point, say in pull her hair, in look her straight in the eye. You understand?
You want to say I get this ginger now, ginger.
The guy say in be romantic. Say when they talk to them, in they read their body language, they say, take me now.
Take me now.
Take me now.
It's me now.
It's just funny.
You understand? But anyway, for my own, see, as celebrity, these things come to you, whether you want or not. And if you don't get your own fence around you to behave yourself in a moral way, you go jump into the crocodile den. You
can't not say, even get one particular one when he do that year, you understand? They've been together for a while. In fact, this particular woman, we carry and come out, he said, see, now me pay her tuition through school. He said, because he feels at one point, she won't embarrass him.
Okay.
Now he just begin pay her tuition. Say he don't pay off quite a lot of those women.
You go continue to pay now. So now he don't admit now. Before now, me I no gree talk anything for this particular matter. Say him do I be no, but he don't use his own mouth now. Talk say, see I do this thing like this. Meaning say the whole allegation since is not too far from true. You understand? So anyway,
you can't know what in contact.
You know
what he talk where just finish me.
Waiting.
He said, listen, I'm a man. Whoever I do with, I don't talk. If you hear it, it's from the ladies. I'm not a kiss and tell.
It hits me.
Now,
it hits me.
But
wait, actually.
They worry this man.
No, but if you look at it now, see, make I tell you, this is not two-way thing at this point. Not two-way thing. Because everybody take because be. The girls that carry their leg, but can't call. If they finish, the girls, maybe they finish the girls, they say, because you two, you are a superstar, you are going to a meeting, hey. He said, you, hey. Years later, he come and say, he molest me. You know, I don't wear.
No, but he used drugs. That's not right.
No, that drug always say he use drugs.
And most times, the women, they sedated. That's not right. See, some sedated, they will say, even till today, some boys, they will say, you go drink alcohol, the guy will say, yes. You cannot give a guy, go drink, oh, my eye turning me. Poor. But boom. But when they say you want alcohol, you say, yes. Not be so. Now for there, if you come out later, because say he used alcohol, take home. Why you go collect the alcohol in the place? And they ask you, can say no. And nobody say them beat you. Nobody say them tie you. Nobody say them force you.
You understand? I not say what you do no good though. But what only thing I talk is say some of those girls they say they supposed to come into quencher. Say why you say carry waka go when
the guy last now still bad guy. This kind of
bad guy.
He doesn't tell. So say everybody don't hear and the girls, not be me.
Una say keep quiet.
And the guy say no one knock because make the girls for the fall in
love. They rush now as the
bad guy
will be. They rush you know. So he said no confidence your whole. He said say, but he said no they enter the jungle.
I need no one get baby mama like many of una they get now.
But I mean, anyway, he who has no sin cast the first stone. Like that go leave him. Finish. Okay, for Bodo Yubo again, this particular two children, two babies when they're born, Lily and Grace Johnstone. Johnstone.
Lily and Grace.
Lily and Grace Johnstone. They born these particular children and they weigh just 2 lb. My wife knows how to take.
That means that they born them weeks before they're supposed to come out.
Weeks before, that's like 13 weeks before they're supposed to come out from belly. Then they go come out. So now amateur. They were actually amateur before they come out from the belly. But doctors got to separate two of them because one of them gets one particular. 13 weeks 6
now. 6 months and a few
before
days.
Before time, you know.
Premature.
But based on the whole issue like this, it just be like say one of them they hold their hand together, say we are going to go through this particular issue together and tough us must stay together.
Wait for it. The most interesting part I'm gonna tell them. They hold their hands together for 2 weeks.
2 whole weeks.
They no gree release their
2 whole weeks. So this picture what they see now 1 year later. Oh, that one where they with their mama and their papa. Now 1 year later, now they say they are inseparable.
Oh, look at
see 2 of them. Say that they always gist, that they always yarn, they plan different things. They say so they be like 1 year old now. They say if you carry one go bath, the other one must cry.
No.
If you carry the other one go do one thing, the other one must cry. They must stay together every moment.
Still held hands.
Yeah, they hold their hand 247. You know, so they don't they plan come forever before they land. They don't they plan come forever.
They cannot separate us.
They cannot separate us.
Don't try it.
Separate us not.
Love anyway, story. It touched my rat.
Yes. Yeah. A very, very sweet story. You know, they survive. They survive. Thank you very much. All right. So we get funny videos.
My brother, me they just put this thing quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them.
Time
funny video. But aside from that particular one, I beg jam us on top Twitter with your own gist and everything at Wazobia Padi Padi. For all those of now the jam us since for there, they make comments. We thank you. We love you. We love you.
That your kids get infection.
Wait, you not get infection anything.
You do it like this. Kisses.
No. That not romantic.
No,
it's seductive.
Kisses.
It's not seductive. Just do one thing. Just do something. We don't do a finish. You can't turn around. Turn around. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. We love you. Thank you. Oh, chills.
Wow, we're good.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.